Hello and welcome to today's video. In this episode we're thrilled to showcase the newest member of the FastFrame range, the FastFrame counter. Let's take a closer look at what makes this stand out. The FastFrame counter is packed with features designed to make your life easier, starting with the easy-to-use transportation bag. That includes a foam insert to keep framework safe and secure. And due to its weight, we've also added wheels on the bag, making moving the counter around a breeze. One common challenge when setting up a counter is figuring out which tools to use. With the FastFrame counter, you can set that worry aside. It's completely tool-free, just unfold the frame, lock the connectors in place, and you're almost done. Once the frame is built, it's time to fit the countertop, which is secured using thumb screws. Then drop the internal shelf into place using the pre-fitted location pins. The graphic is attached using a silicon edge graphic, making it easy to install without any tools. After the counter is set up, you'll have a generous workspace offering just over 1 meter wide, providing both functional surface and a large visual area to promote your brand effectively. The FastFrame counter is designed to be sturdy, supporting up to 60 kilos evenly spread across the top and 10 kilos on the internal shelf, giving you plenty of flexibility to display products or marketing material with confidence at your event. There you have it, the all-new FastFrame counter in stock and available now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.